7. Just arrived in Trieste, or however you pronounce it. Very close to the border with Slovenia. It was very hot today, 41 degrees, and everyone just parks here at the street. I stopped in 4 places to find a vignette for Slovenia. They had vignettes and gas stations, but not for motorcycles. And it's actually right at the border that I found one. And it's official, I'm for the first time in Slovenia. My number of countries goes up. It's 2 a.m. and I woke up and I realized I didn't look my motorcycle. So I'm on my way to look. I think I will drive to Croatia, but no idea yet where to. In Koper. So maybe change of plans. I'm pretty close to the border, so of course I have to cross the border to Croatia, but after that I will go back to Slovenia. The seaside, it's nice, but it's not, you know, it's a bit the same. So I'm in Piran, pretty close to the border now. Let's go to Croatia! Traffic jam to get into Croatia. Did I mention how hot it is? It was a very long traffic jam to get into the country. They checked every single passport. I don't understand why, because we are in Europe. You go from Europe to Europe. Why do you need to get a check?
Yeah, what I am?
Sorry?
What I am?
You are a police officer.
That's right.
And that's it. Nothing left to say. While I drove my first kilometers into Croatia, I could see a huge traffic jam on the other side of the border as well. I'm officially in Croatia, which means another country on my list. Woohoo! So I'm in Umag. Turns out that they don't have euros here. They have Kuna. I don't want to go back to that traffic jam. To avoid the traffic jams at the border, I took a different road and it was actually beautiful. So I think I will go back one day to really see Croatia. It's a country you have to visit at ease and not just rush. I'm traveling for more than a week now. I did about almost 2,000 kilometers. It's pretty cool. I have 2 new countries on my list. Now I'm in Postojna, and the reason I'm here is because of the cave. So there should be a huge cave here, and tomorrow I will go and have a look. So I'm ready for day 9. Off to the caves, the Queen of Caves. I read some reviews saying that it was the most beautiful cave they ever saw, and so yeah, I'm curious. I arrived at the cave. You can actually do many things here, but I just want to see the cave. I think it was about 27 euros. Anyway, there are a lot of bars here and shops.
Then we're going to have a walking tour around 1 hour, and after we're going to return back with the train outside. So altogether. So we're now at the Russian Bridge. So Russian Bridge was built by Russian war prisoners during the First World War to connect the old part with the beautiful caves.
The guy was just telling a story about how in the Second World War the cave was used as a storage. The Germans also found the cave, but there was actually a small entrance from another cave. The other troops actually just could steal the munition from the Germans. in at 10:30 and I'm out at 12:15, so it takes about 2 hours. But it's really worth it. It's really impressive. Good, I was early. What a traffic jam. Ta-da! Suddenly I'm back in Italy. So it was about 330 kilometers from the cave to Lago Di Garda.